You all probably already know by now that bandsaw is my favorite machine in the shop. It's just so versatile, and of course what it does best is curve cutting. But after cutting curves for decades in chair making, I kind of got the feeling I was pretty good at it. But I learned something a couple of years ago that really surprised me and was kind of embarrassing. I really wasn't that good at all. And it's because I was trying to understand exactly what was happening at the cut. And I did some experiments to do that, to understand that better. And I came up with some surprising thoughts that the surprising part of those thoughts is that I'd never even considered to think about what I'm doing that way. Since then, I've been practicing and getting a lot better at cutting on the bandsaw, freehand and jigging, but I also understand now what needs to happen when you're cutting at the saw. I'd like to share that with you. I've got a series of webinars that I'm working on. You might have seen the first one, how to cut a bridle joint on the bandsaw. The next one is going to be single point radius curves like this one, or full circles, but how to do this by hand very accurately, how to train yourself how to do it more accurately, and then a couple of systems for doing this mechanically or with a fixture that allow you to cut virtually flawless curves or full arcs, full circles on whatever bandsaw you have. This is a nice big commercial bandsaw, but what's happening is right here. It doesn't matter that this is big for what I'm doing here. The action's right here. This could be a 14-inch or 10-inch bandsaw. The principles are still the same.
Okay, there you have it. Brian just shared with you all of the great, exciting details that he's going to be going over in this next webinar that's happening on April 20th at noon Eastern Daylight Time. We're really excited about it. We really would like you to join us. Seating's limited. Secure your seat right now so you can be there. And don't worry, if you are not able to be available, if you're not available that day, we'll send you the replay. I think it's, you know, a few hours after the event ends, you'll get the replay video. So, see you there.